Oh, welcome sa YouTube channel ko. This is Jerry Mendoza. So, gagawa tayo ng kilawin tilapia. So, it's like a fish in vinegar, in cook in vinegar. So, we'll slice the fillet tilapia and put it in a bowl. Yes, just please watch it, and I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video. So thank you for watching my 8K travel and food blog. I hope you will like it. So this is a very easy menu for it's like a ceviche in Spanish or Mexican ceviche. So but this is only Filipino version. So I have my fillet tilapia. You can use tuna here and any kind of pressed food or salmon. You can make it like this to like a ceviche or a kilawin. So we Filipino are washing it with vinegar. And what's out? I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video, so you can see the how I made it. So just watch until the end, and then you will see the yes, this is all my pressed tilapia. I already washed it and cut it. Now we wash it with a little bit of vinegar. So I use any kind of vinegar. So, but I like to use the dato puti vinegar, the Filipino dato puti, because it's very tasty vinegar. So just I put my gloves because the vinegar is acidic. So just kind of press it so it will the taste will be good, and just wash it for like 1 minute. Wash it with the vinegar and throw the juice. Yes, and please watch it. Thank you very much. So you start just pressing it with the vinegar. So it will be like you're cooking with this acidic vinegar. So just press it, and you can throw the remaining juice. Yeah, throw it. Yeah, and then we start cutting all the ingredients. So I have onion and chili and salt and pepper and coconut milk to put it. So I like to grind my ginger. I'll put some grind ginger together with the slices of we'll just put a little bit of grind, so it will be more good, because yes, I'll put it there, the grind ginger. So I'll just cut all the little bit remaining ginger, and we'll put it there. So, and then we'll smash it again and fresh it again, so it will be more taste. So masarap sa kilawin ang maraming ginger. So just slice it a little bit like this. So I like to put a lot of ginger, maybe a handful of ginger like this. It depends how much your ginger is. In that case, I have like a half pound of fish, so you don't have to put a lot of ginger, just a little bit. So you just put one whole onion. You can use white onion or red onion, so it doesn't matter. So just put it together, all the ingredients at the same time on the bowl, and then we're gonna smash it again. So we'll put more onion is good for or we'll put more half of onion. So just wash it and slice it again, the onion. Yes, yes, slice it again. This is how we make the kilawin or the ceviche with the coconut milk. So now I have onion and ginger together, and then we'll put a little bit of chili so it will be more a little bit hot, you know. It depends how much chili you want, how much hot you want. So I have my spring onion too, so you will put some spring onion so it will be have more colors on your ceviche. So just put it there. Yes, put it there together. Mhm. And then they put the green pepper. If you don't have green pepper, that's okay. It's only want some color on it, so I need to put some. In this case, I don't have the green, so I have a yellow one. So this will work. So just put a slice of green pepper. Yeah. So you will have a color on your kilawin or ceviche fish. So you can use tuna, fresh tuna, or mackerel, or you know, any kind of fish doing this. You can use also fresh shrimp, you know, and then put the slice juice of lemon. You can use calamansi if you want, so it will be more taste. So just squeeze like this, and yes, it depends how much you have. My fish is like a half pound only, so I don't put a lot. So I'll put salt and pepper, you know, according to your taste. So put a lot of maybe a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. It depends. So you can put chili on the top. It depends. Maybe they don't want the very hot. So just press it like this, smash it like this, so you will get the taste, you know. So put it together and taste it. So it will be very tasty, believe me. And you can put the milk now. I have coconut milk. Yes, just maybe a half cup of coconut milk, so it will be more tasty. Yes, put the half cup of coconut milk, and then you can put it in the plate now. Yes, the taste will be very good. So it depends. Just do your tasting. If it is need more a little bit of salt and pepper, you can put more, or put a little bit of chili, so it will be hot. So this is how I do it. The ceviche fish, very nice with coconut milk. It's very tasty. So put it there. So I like it. Everybody like. Thank you for watching, and I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video, and I'll put more a little bit of salt. So I think they need more salt, a little bit, yeah. So